Good evening. May I bring you anything else, sir?
Good evening, thank you. I am fine for now. Just this water is good.
Of course. Please let me know if you change your mind. Excuse me. Let me just move this glass closer to you. Oh no, I am very sorry. The water has spilled.
Oh, my trousers are wet now. That was a shock.
I am terribly sorry. Are you all right? Did any water get on your book?
No, the book is safe, thank you. My clothes are a bit wet, though.
I will bring you some napkins at once. Would you like a towel as well?
Yes, a towel would be helpful. Thank you for your quick response.
Here are some napkins and a towel. I can offer you a free dessert as an apology.
Thank you, that is kind. Accidents happen, so do not worry too much.
I truly did not mean to do this. Please let me know if you need anything else to feel comfortable.
Just some time to dry off will help. The free dessert is a nice gesture. I will accept it, thank you.
That makes me feel better. May I bring you our homemade tiramisu?
Tiramisu sounds wonderful. I will wait for it while I dry.
Coming right up with your dessert, and again, I am very sorry for the spill.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
Enjoy your evening and let me know if you need anything else.
Hello, excuse me. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I do for you today?
I am looking for this blouse in a medium size. I only see small and large here.
Let me check the rack again for you. Maybe one is hiding. No, I do not see any mediums here either. Have you already checked the display table?
Yes, I looked there too. Medium always seems to be missing when I shop.
That is common with popular sizes. Sometimes we have a few left in the stock room.
Could you please check if there is one back there?
Absolutely. I will go check our stock room. Just one moment.
Thank you. I always feel a little unlucky with sizes.
Do not worry. Sometimes we find surprises in the back. I found one medium in the back. It was the last one.
Really? This is perfect. I thought I would have to leave without it.
You are welcome to try it on. The fitting rooms are just over there.
Thank you so much. I will try it on right away.
I hope it fits you well. If you need another size, just let me know.
Will do. Thank you again. You have been very kind. I see the train is still delayed. Have you been waiting here long?
Yes, I have been waiting for almost 30 minutes. The digital board just keeps saying delayed.
Did they say why the train is late? I did not hear any announcement about it.
No, I did not hear any reason. It is frustrating because I need to get to a meeting this evening.
That sounds stressful. I am supposed to meet a friend for dinner, but now I am not sure if I will make it.
I am worried I will miss my meeting. I planned my evening so carefully.
I know how that feels. Last month, I waited almost an hour for this same train. It happens more often than I like.
So this is not new, I guess. It almost seems normal here. Do you ride these trains often?
Yes, I use this route twice a week. Usually it is on time, but there are days like this.
I travel only once a month, so I get annoyed quickly. I thought it would be easier than traffic.
It still might save time if it starts moving soon. Maybe we will only wait a few more minutes.
I hope so. The board is still not changing, though. Would you like to get some coffee? There is a small cafe by the ticket office.
That sounds nice, thank you. Standing here makes me colder. Maybe a hot drink will help.
Yes, let us go together. We still can watch the board from there.
Wait, the sign just changed. It says boarding in 5 minutes now.
That is great news. We might still make it after all.
I feel much better now. I hope your meeting works out.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your dinner too.
Take care and have a safe trip.
You too. Have a great evening.
Good evening. May I speak with you about a problem in my room?
Of course. How can I help you tonight?
I am in room 305, and there is a lot of noise coming from next door.
I am sorry to hear that. What kind of noise are you hearing?
It sounds like loud music and talking. It has been going on for almost an hour.
That does not sound pleasant. Has this happened before during your stay?
No, last night was quiet. Tonight is much louder, and I cannot relax.
Is the noise coming from room 307 just next to you?
Yes, I believe so. It started around 8 o'clock.
Thank you for telling me. Have you tried speaking to them, or would you prefer I handle it?
I have not spoken to them. I would prefer if you could ask them to be quieter.
Of course, I can speak to them now. I hope to solve this quickly for you.
Thank you. I have a work meeting in the morning, so I need some rest.
I understand. I will go right away and kindly ask them to lower the volume.
If the noise continues later, what should I do?
If it does not stop, please call the front desk. We will find another solution if needed.
Thank you for your help. I hope it will be quiet soon.
You are welcome. I want you to have a good night.
Monica, are you ready for lunch soon? I was just going to look in my bag. One moment. Did you bring your salad again today? Oh no, my lunch is not here. I must have left it on the kitchen counter this morning. That is too bad. Are you very hungry? Yes, I was looking forward to eating it. I am getting hungry now. Maybe you can buy something from the cafe downstairs? The last time I forgot lunch, the line was very long. I only had 10 minutes left. Would you like me to come with you to the cafe? Maybe it will be faster with two. That is kind, but I do not want you to wait with me. You brought your own food. It is no problem. We can eat together no matter what. I wish I had checked my bag before I left. It happens too often. Remember last time you left your lunch in the car and it melted? Yes, that was so silly of me. I really need to pay more attention. Do you want half of my sandwich while you wait for the line? I made too much today. Are you sure? That would be wonderful. Of course, I am happy to share. You can take the first half. Thank you so much. You always save my day. Enjoy. Next time we will both check our bags before leaving home. Excuse me, have you seen a small blue toy car around here?
No, I have not. Did someone lose it just now?
Yes, my son dropped it somewhere while he played. He is very upset.
That sounds difficult. Do you remember where he was before?
We sat on the bench over there, and then he ran to the sandbox. I checked both places.
Maybe it slipped under the bench? Would you like me to look?
Thank you, that would be kind. I looked, but 2 eyes are better than one.
I do not see anything near the bench or under it. Was the car very small?
Yes, it is small and blue with tiny white wheels. My son takes it everywhere.
Sometimes children drop things on the grass. Should we check along the path?
That is a good idea. He ran along the path to the big tree before.
Let us walk slowly and watch for it. I will look on this side.
Thank you. I feel terrible because he loves that toy so much.
I understand. My niece once lost her doll here, and we found it later. There is hope.
Wait, is that it near the bush? The blue by the flowers.
Yes, that is the toy car. I see it. Here, I will pick it up for you.
Thank you so much. My son will be so happy now.
I am glad we found it. I hope he enjoys the rest of his day.
He will, thanks to your help. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. How can I assist you today?
I am looking for a wireless mouse, but I cannot find them.
Wireless mice are usually near the back wall. Would you like me to show you?
Yes, please. I have already checked a few aisles, but maybe I missed them.
No problem. Please, follow me. We have some different models as well.
That is good to hear. I am searching for one with silent buttons.
Oh, do you use it at work or at home?
Mostly at work. My coworkers say my old mouse is too loud sometimes.
That does happen. I will show you a couple that are very quiet.
Thank you. That will help a lot. Do you think these are easy to connect?
Yes, they connect easily. Most work just by plugging in a small receiver. Would you like to try this one?
It looks good. Let me see how it feels in my hand.
How does it feel? Some people prefer smaller sizes.
Oh, this is lighter than I expected. I like it.
I am glad you like it. Would you like to buy it now?
Yes, I will take this one. Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. If you need anything else, please ask.
I will. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Excuse me, do you have a moment?
Yes. Is everything all right? Your car is stopped here.
No, I ran out of gas. The car just stopped in the middle of traffic.
That is very stressful. Did you notice the fuel was low before?
I thought I had enough to reach the next station. I guess I was wrong.
Do not worry. These things happen. Do you have a fuel can or anything in the trunk?
No, I do not have anything like that. I am not sure what to do now.
There is a gas station about 1 kilometer back. I can give you a ride there if you want.
Really? Thank you. I would really appreciate it.
Of course. I have a small gas can in my trunk too. You can use it and return it later.
That is so kind of you. I have never had this happen before.
You are not alone. This has happened to me once when I was younger.
Really? What did you do that time?
I had to push my car to the side and call a friend for help. It took hours.
That must have been hard. I am glad you stopped to help me.
Let us get to the gas station quickly. The sooner we move, the better.
Thank you again for this. I will be more careful next time.
No problem at all. Helping someone makes the day better.
Have a great day. I will return your gas can as soon as possible.
Hello, May. I wanted to talk about our schedule for next week.
Hi, Eric. Yes, I have my calendar open and ready.
Great. I think we may have some overlap on Tuesday. Are you free that afternoon?
Let me check. On Tuesday afternoon, I am free after 2 o'clock.
Perfect. I can move my meeting to the morning. That will work for me, too.
That is good news. Should we meet at the office or online?
I think online is better this time. What do you think?
Online is easier for me as well. I will send you the link.
Thank you. Now, about the new client, did you get the documents?
Yes, I received them this morning. I started looking through the main files already.
That is good to hear. I had some questions, but... Oh, wait. May, are you still there?
There is silence for a moment as the call drops.
Hello? I think we got disconnected.
Eric, are you back? The call ended suddenly.
Yes, I am back now. Sorry, my phone just lost signal for a minute.
No worries. That happens sometimes, especially in this room.
Thank you for waiting. Should we continue?
Yes, of course. Please go on with your questions.
Thank you so much for your patience. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Have a great rest of your day. Hello, Mark. Do you have a moment to talk?
Of course, Sophia. Is everything all right?
Yes, mostly. I wanted to mention something about last night.
Was there a problem? I hope I did not disturb you.
Your dog was barking a lot during the night. It was hard for me to sleep.
Oh, I did not realize he was so loud. He is usually quiet at night.
He started barking around midnight and it continued for a long time. It was very noisy.
I understand. I was out late and maybe he was anxious. I am sorry for the trouble.
Thank you, Mark. I know dogs can get upset when their owners are not home.
Did it happen before, or was it just last night?
It happened a few times in the past week, but last night was the loudest.
I see. I will try to make sure he feels calm. Maybe I can leave the TV on for him next time.
That might help. Thank you for listening to me.
I care about my neighbors. I do not want to disturb your sleep.
I appreciate that. If it happens again, I will let you know.
Thank you for telling me. I will do my best to keep him quiet at night.
Thank you so much. I hope you both have a calm night.
You too, Sophia. Have a good evening.